So first of all, we will add a premium theme. I prefer premiumpress.com. You can buy premium theme from this store. Let's check out the themes: auction theme, dating theme, directory theme, classified theme, stock photo themes, microjob themes, car tailored themes, real estate themes, shopping cart themes, job themes, town themes, coupon themes. I prefer these themes as this is more suitable to our business, as our business is based on digital coupon. So visit the theme, see the demo. Here is the demo of the theme. Your website will look like this demo when you will use this premium theme. Go back to the dashboard, appearance, themes, click on add new, click on upload theme, choose file. You have to select CP9. Click on install now. The premium theme is installing right now. Click on activate. You have just activated your premium price theme. Begin setup. You have to put your license key. Here is the license key, mail address, which template you are using, terms and conditions. I agree. Install theme. There are some plugins that are suggested so that the premium theme works well. So begin installing plugins. We will install these 3 plugins within a very short time. Go back to the plugin section, installed plugin, as we have to activate the plugin. Without this one, because this one, the demo one, Hello Dolly. So we will activate the plugins. Estimate, you can ignore this one right now. We have completed our 5 steps, but especially we have to install Yoast SEO plugin. So let's go back to the plugin section, add new. You can install your desired plugins in this way. Yoast SEO. Click on install now. It's installing. Click on activate. Now Yoast SEO plugin is almost ready.